Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice exponential equation, which is 5 to the power of t. This is equal to 100. What is the value of t? Now let's prevent a solution from here. We have 5 to the power of t. This is equal to 100. To solve for t here, we introduce logarithm on both sides. So that now here we have log 5 to the power of t. This is equal to log 100. The next step from here, log 5 to the power of t, this is in the form of log a to the power of n, which we can express as n log a. Now, applying this power rule property of logarithm from here, this implies that log 5 to the power of t becomes t log 5. This is equal to log 100. Now, the next step from here is to divide both sides by log 5, here by log 5. So let's simplify here. Log 5 divided by log 5. This is the same thing as t equal to log 100 divided by log 5. The next step from here, we can express 100. This is the same thing as 25 multiplied by 4. Now, substituting this here, this implies that we have t equal to log 25 times 4 divided by log 5. Now, the next step is that log 25 times 4, this is in the form of log a times b, which we can express as log a plus log b. Applying this logarithm property from here, then this implies we have that t is equal to log 25 times 4 divided by log 5. Now, log 25 times 4, this is in the form of log a times b, which we can express as log a plus log b. Applying this logarithm property from here, we have that t is equal to log 25 divided by log 5, then plus log 4 divided by log 5. Now, the next step from here, we can express 25 basically as 5 to the power of 2. Substituting this implies that we have t equal to log 5 to the power of 2 divided by log 5, then plus log 4 divided by log 5. Log 5 to the power 2, this is in the form of log a to the power of n, which you can express as n log a. Now, applying this logarithm property, then log 5 to the power of 2 becomes 2 log 5 divided by log 5 from here, then plus log 4 divided by log 5. The next step is to simplify here. Log 5 and log 5 simplifies, so that now t is equal to 2 plus log 4 divided by log 5. Now, log 4 divided by log 5, this is in the form of log a over log b, which we can express as log a to base b. Now, applying this logarithm property from here, this implies that t is equal to 2 plus log 4 to base 5. Now, this is the value of t. So the next step from here is to check if this value of t satisfies the equation by following these steps. So let's check from here. So if you recall, we have that 5 to the power of t This is supposed to give us a value of 100. So let's substitute the value of t from here so that we have 5 to the power of 2 plus log 4 to base 5. This is supposed to give us a value of 100. Now, 5 to the power 2 plus log 4 to base 5. This is in the form of a to the power of n plus m. It's in this form. 5 to the power of 2 plus log 4 to base 5 is in this form, which we can transform as a to the power of n times a to the power of m. Applying this exponent property, this implies that here we have 5 to the power of 2 multiplied by 5 to the power of log 4 to base 5. This is supposed to give us a value of 100. Now, the next step from here, 5 raised to power log 4 to base 5. This is in the form of a raised to the power of log b to base a, which is supposed to give us a value of b. Applying this logarithm property from here, this implies that 5 to the power of log 4 to base 5, this should give us a value of 4 from here. The next step is that we have 5 to the power 2. Remember, 5 to the power of 2, this is the same thing as 25. So here we have 25 multiplied by 5 to the power of log 4 to base 5, which is 4. This is supposed to give us a value of 100. So 25 times 4, this is equal to 100, which is equal to 100. So this implies that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And this implies that the value of t, which is equal to 2 plus log 4 to base 5, actually satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and more importantly, subscribe. Kindly like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. So we have t is equal to 2 plus log 4 to base 5. So this is the solution to this exponential problem.